Okay, I found an old typewriter that I wanted to clean first. It was ridiculously dirty. Blow it off. Get the keys unseized. That was quite the job. Then sprayed it down with my rust spray to make it look nice. Then I welded a pipe to the back of the typewriter for the next stage of my project. It took a couple tries. Then I welded barbed wire on it, wrapping the barbed wire around the post that I just welded on. And this was part of my vision for this project. Then I wired it up, securing it at the bottom with a cincher. It was starting to look good. Installed the light on top with the cage, and as you can see, working really well. Overall, very happy with how this turned out. I couldn't be happier with the final product.